Okay, I'm already through the test. If you don't want to hear it, fine, ignore me, but the recording will be on Clever here in a few minutes after I finish. Jensen has been working a summer job and putting his earnings into a savings account. At the beginning of the summer, Jensen had $798 in his savings account and $3,214 at the end of the summer. What is the approximate percent increase for the amount of money in his savings account? And I'm gonna go pretty quick. You know, if you're watching the recording, when you go back, you can pause it in between questions if you need to. Number 2, in which equation does the value of x not equal to? Number 3, what value of p satisfies the inequality shown below? Someone not here today? Am I? Okay. Number 4, Kia wants to order a large pizza from Frank's Pizza. Each large cheese pizza costs $8.75, and each additional topping costs 50 cents. If Kia spends $15, which inequality can be used to determine the most amount of additional toppings Kia got? Number 5, simplify 8x minus 4 minus parentheses 5x plus 7. That's one of those combining like terms where you're not actually going to solve the equation. You're going to have a couple terms left after you get it into its simplest form. Number 6, what is the value of 2.5x minus 3y squared when x equals 2 and y equals negative 2? PEMDAS, order of operations. Number 7, two-step equation. What value of x makes the equation true? If you're working your equations today and you can't get them worked out, then just start substituting in answer choices until you find one that works. Negative 53 equals negative 8x plus 5. Number 8, which graph best represents only the solutions to 4a minus 1/2 greater than or equal to negative 6? Number 9, which graph represents the solution to the inequality 3 plus 5 over 2x greater than or equal to 2x minus 13 over 2? Number 10, what is the solution to the following inequality? 3x minus 1 less than or equal to 2x plus 4. 11, what is the solution to the following inequality? Negative 2x plus 1 less than or equal to negative 35. Number 12, solve. Negative 3x plus 2 less than negative 22. 13, what value of a makes the equation true? 7a plus 6 equals negative 5, parentheses a minus 6. 14, evaluate the expression of the square root of 3,721 and then identify all the sets of the real number system that solution belongs to. 15 is a model. Got 4 blank rectangles and 4 squares is equal to 8 dark squares. What is the solution to the equation represented in the model? 16, which is the solution to 12x minus 3x plus 4 equals 5x minus 16? 17, what value of x makes the following statement true? X plus 5 divided by 6 equals 8. 18, what value of p makes this equation true? 7p equals 14 plus 7p divided by 2. 19, directions. Type your answer in the box. What value of x makes this equation true? 5x minus 3 equals 2x plus 9. 20, the freshman class is planning a carnival. The cost to rent the space and rides is $350. To pay for the space and rides, each freshman must pay 50 cents and $2 for each guest who is not a freshman. 100 freshmen plan to attend. How many guests must attend in order to pay for the space and the rides? That is an inequality word problem you're trying to set up there. And then finally, number 21, what's the solution to the following inequalities? D minus 5 divided by negative 3 greater than or equal to negative 4. All right, so I'll post that to Clever in just a second. I'll tell you what it's called if you want to use. Oops, sorry about that.